It is 8:23 and I'm making some pancakes for the kids. I haven't made pancakes for them in like such a long time. So, you know what? I was like, let's make pancakes. I did my hair this morning and this is as good as it's gonna get. I have like really nothing going on today other than, you know, stay home with the kids. I'm drinking some coffee. It's tasting a little funky, so I might need to do something to the coffee maker. But yeah, pretty uneventful, so I thought I would bring you along my day. I think I finally figured out how I'm gonna do my hair after like a workout. I worked out last night and I washed my hair yesterday. I worked out last night and this morning my hair was just bad. It was so bad. And what I did was I just used my blow dryer because I feel, and not my blow dryer, my Revlon like dryer brush thing, and I feel like if I use that my hair like gets less crusty, you know. Mason, my oldest, is officially out of school for winter break, so that's fun. And like I said, we're not going to be going to like, you know, we're not going to be traveling because it was pretty rough on us. So yeah, we're not going to be traveling for this for Christmas, but yeah, I'm feeling a lot better. I had mentioned that Jordan had COVID. He's now negative. Yeah, I might do some present wrapping today. Of course, when the kids go to bed. I've been working out every day, and I used to do 3 miles every day. I used to do an hour at 3 speed, which is 3 miles. And that was a little hard on me because I just like dove straight into that. This time what I've been doing is doing just 30 minutes, and I'll do like half that. So I'm still going at a 3 speed, but I'm only doing 30 minutes, mile and a half, which is nice. It's been good for me mentally to like not aim so high and, you know, kind of get used to it, like just kind of go like slowly and take it day by day. Package. I feel like all my videos have like, oh my god, look at your son. I feel like all my videos is like me opening packages and stuff like that, but I got this shirt. I love black clothing, if you couldn't tell. So I just got this like black shirt that is supposed to really like keep its shape and not stretch out. So, because my other one stretches out and I hate it. So this one, and I like the workout spandex material. I'm so excited for this. Looks cute. It's from, stop it. It's from the brand GXPOK. So yeah.
Alexa, where are my notifications?
Really? Why? Why? We all had brownies, so we're like running up and down. Oh yeah, we're gonna leave Apple J or Elf a piece of this brownie. This is Apple J right here. This is him. And he's been a little naughty, but hopefully tonight he'll be good. mentally drained. I had like the whole eczema rash thing. I'm looking for my lip thing, but I don't think it's here. But I feel like it really took a toll on me, honestly. Like having that, and then my thyroid. If you didn't know, I have hyperthyroid, so it means that my goiter, my thyroid, is overproducing. I've had hyperthyroid for like 7 years. I got it after my firstborn, so I've had it for a while, and it sucks, but it's not the end of the world, which I had to like really bring myself to, like, you know, believe that, because it was really hard on me, like when I found out. Those two things that have been just on my mind a lot lately. I also have a breast lump. I have a fibroadenoma, which is a benign breast lump on my left breast, so I have to get that checked annually, or like every 6 months. And I just want to have a good Christmas, honestly. Like I just want to get up on Christmas Eve, which is when we're celebrating it, really, like cooking and stuff. I just want to get up on Christmas Eve and just like really feel the holidays with my family. And that is so crazy how we grow up and sometimes we don't have relationships with our family, and you know, it's okay, because I have my own family, and I'm excited to cook for them. I'm excited to be there for them, and yeah, I'm so excited. Okay, so it is 11:27 and I wanted a little snacky snack. So I'm having this like jerky stick, I think. I don't know what it's called. And then some of these nuts. I love these. I don't know how healthy this is, but this is what I'm having for snack. The kids are in the backyard playing with one of their friends. So I'm just gonna sit in here, try to finish my water, and yeah, maybe we'll have lunch at around 1 or 2. I don't know. I kind of was, oh my, I cannot with this hair. I kind of was thinking that we could go get something for lunch, maybe In-N-Out. That's actually a really good idea, to go get In-N-Out, but it's not that far from our house. Mason, my first grader, won us 4 tickets to the Women's Air Force Academy basketball game. So we got tickets for that, which is so exciting. I think I'm gonna look for an Air Force sweater. Jordan was in the Air Force. And he got out in 2019. So I have a sweater, but I don't know. I might look for like a nice crew neck for the game. I'm like really excited. I don't think we've ever been to like an actual basketball game since we've had kids, you know. Okay, I'm feeling this look right now. I look so crazy, right? I don't know. Do we like it? Do we not like it? I'm for sure gonna get it dyed, but not yet, you know? Maybe when it gets a little bit longer, I'm gonna go blonde. I'm gonna go real blonde. Like super duper blonde, you know? Me and Asher are going to Dutch Bros. I have been craving a chai. So we're gonna go. Everybody's sleeping. I was sleeping too. And once everybody wakes up, I think we're gonna decorate our
house.
Cookies. Yeah. So it is 6:42. The kids are watching The Grinch. But I got back from Dutch Bros a little bit ago. I just picked up a hot chai. But today is the 23rd, so Christmas Eve Eve. So I'm gonna make some cookies. I got this cookie dough from Walmart the other day, and we're gonna make sugar cookies. It says that I need softened butter, but I don't. I have to wait until our butter softens a little. Boo. So I'm gonna start getting everything ready for tomorrow's dinner. Just like, is this so delicious? So this is what I'm doing, the braised ribs. Let's see, canola oil, short ribs, good salt, one medium yellow onion. These are kind of small, so I'm gonna do 2 of these. Try this trick that I saw where, like, I think you put warm water in a cup and like make it hot, and then you put it over the butter and it softens it faster. Or am I just crazy? But I want to get this butter softened. I had no idea. I feel like I got a lot done today. I kind of deep cleaned downstairs, and I wrapped all our presents, which is a relief because I was kind of worried about that. I'm prepping our food, getting everything ready for tomorrow, and I'm so excited. I decided to kind of do like the ribbon this year.
Mommy,
Yes.
is the one on the bottom mine?
Yes.
Okay.
Like do like the bow thing, and I think it looks so cute. And then on this one, I just kind of did that one because it was too big and I didn't have any. But how cute is that? I'm so excited. Jordan is sleeping and I'm gonna wake him up when everything is ready for the cookies. Everybody was just so tired today. I was so tired. And yeah, it's just been a week. I am sweating so bad because of the tea, but you know, okay. I don't think it's working, so I'm gonna do it again. Jordan.
Maria.
Are you excited for Christmas?
So super duper.
Are you excited for my cooking?
Mm-hmm.
What are you most excited about? Tell me.
I'm most excited.
Ooh, hold on. So your Stanley. I want you to tell us. Oh, look at these colors are actually really pretty together. We would need like a red one. And then we create the Mexican flag.
I just don't understand why they couldn't put this green on the top and on the handle. Like, why does it have to be like basically teal?
Well, they actually had a white one with like those like 90s shapes. Like, well, not 90s shapes, but like circles, squares, but like those like 90s colors, like the shades. And they were just up here. So it was white.
They're getting too cute
It was,
with them colors. Just give me an all black one, an all green one. I mean, I could get it if they did like green and gold and did like a Packers themed one.
a Packers?
Yeah, I could see that.
Well, you know, people customize these, but it's probably super expensive.
True.
This was the other one that was on there.
Like, that's just weird.
So Jordan and I were talking, and this is our 9th Christmas together, which is so crazy because I feel like we just met. We met when we were 19. Okay. What?
I didn't say
Okay, Jordan. Okay.
Wait, Daddy. Let's pretend
oh my
like a
gosh.
steak.
But I feel like it was just yesterday, and it's almost 10 years. Fun fact, Jordan and I met on the old Tinder.
On the old Tinder.
And it was like the best decision of his life. Huh, Jordan?
I'm still unsure if I should have swiped right or left.
Listen, Jordan, if you hadn't have married me, you would not know about all the delicious Mexican food.
But I already knew about the Mexican food. I was in Albuquerque. Now, I wouldn't know as much about it. That is true. Did you take an Echiselatrace this time?
Also, Jordan made me lose the snail.
What?
I did not make
I
you
was
lose.
trying to give you the presents, and you like were like right there, and then you put your butt in my face.
That was
I think our butter is pretty solid. It passed the drop test, so I think it's good.
the drop test. Have you ever churned your
Butter. Does it look like I've churned butter, Jordan?
I mean, with
Does
that
it look-
kinda?
With that haircut? You did this to me. Jordan, that's so rude. That's actually so rude. That's it. That's it.